Welcome back to the CRM Power Stack series. This is video 3 of 10, where we're building the systems behind successful affiliate marketing. If you've been following along, you've already learned how to create an evergreen funnel and deliver Toolkit 2.
Now, it's time to take things to a new level. What if your email system could work while you sleep? Today, we'll show you how to automate upsells that maximize your earnings, tag leads for personalized follow-ups, trigger email workflows that monetize over time automatically. Check the description below for Toolkit 2, Evergreen Toolkit, system links, and subscriber bonuses. Everything you need to build alongside us is ready and waiting for free. Automating your funnel is the core of a scalable system. Here's the basic flow we'll create today. 1. A new lead signs up for Toolkit. 2. They're automatically tagged based on their interest. 3. Emails are sent with CTA links to tools and offers. 4. Upsells are triggered based on actions they take. This setup delivers 3 enormous benefits. Trust. Automations ensure you respond at the right time, every time. Timing. Tagging ensures people get what they need when they need it. Transactions. The flow is designed to convert, turning leads into commissions. With Systeme.io, everything happens from one dashboard. No need to manage multiple tools. You'll have predictability, passive growth, and the tools to scale without overwhelm. The first step is building an email sequence. Today, we're using Toolkit 2 as the starting point. Here's how the flow works. 1. Day 1. Send a welcome email introducing Toolkit 2. Your subject line could say something like, "Welcome. Start building with Toolkit 2. Today." Inside the email, remind them what they opted into, explain its value, and provide the download link again. 2. Day 2. Follow up with educational content. For example, explain how Systeme.io's automations save time and effort. Include a soft CTA for the legendary $5 challenge, such as, if you want to see the full roadmap to long-term commissions, the $5 challenge will show you step by step. 3. Day 3. Highlight the combination of Systeme.io and legendary. Add social proof, like sharing how other affiliates have simplified their workflow using these tools together. 4. Day 5. Introduce GoHighLevel for next-level scaling. Keep this as a soft intro to prepare them for video 4.
When I stopped sending emails manually and allowed Systeme.io to handle follow-ups, I saw an immediate difference. It wasn't just easier. I was finally able to step away and focus on growing. Knowing my audience was being nurtured automatically was a huge weight off my shoulders.
This sequence builds trust with your audience while naturally guiding them toward the next steps. Remember, you can find all the tools we're using linked in the description. Tagging is the secret weapon of smart automation. Here's what it allows you to do. Identify exactly what each subscriber is interested in. Trigger specific follow-ups based on their actions. Segment your subscribers so you deliver relevant content every time. For example, 1. Tag leads who download Toolkit 2 as Toolkit Interest. 2. Create a rule that says, if tagged Toolkit Interest, send educational email A plus legendary offer. 3. Segment audiences based on deeper interests, like those who engage with legendary content versus Systeme-only users. Tagging isn't just a technical feature, it's how you gain control over what your audience sees and when. The smartest affiliates use it to build trust and drive conversions on autopilot. Toolkit 2. Evergreen Toolkit. All our affiliate tools and exclusive subscriber bonuses are linked in the description for a limited time. Some of these offers, including Systeme.io and Legendary's $5 challenge, are only available while trial spots last, so don't wait. Grab them now and follow along. Once you've delivered Toolkit 2, it's time to guide your audience to the next logical step. A simple, soft CTA can drive powerful results when positioned correctly. For example, you can add this message to your thank you page. Want the full roadmap to affiliate success? Start the legendary $5 challenge today and see exactly how to build your system step by step. This isn't about overselling. It's about creating a seamless experience for your audience. One viewer told us, "I didn't know when or how to promote offers until I saw how the follow-up emails guided the entire experience. It finally felt natural. Today, you've built a powerful system. Here's what you now have. 1. An automated workflow that triggers emails based on user actions. 2. Tagged leads, segmented by their interests. 3. A logical affiliate offer baked into your flow. This is how top affiliates simplify their workflows and scale their results. And we're just getting started. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Comment below and tell us where you're at in building your system. Are you starting fresh or already scaling? And make sure to whitelist CashWave emails. We've got more step-by-step guidance and limited-time affiliate stack offers coming your way. Only for subscribers using the links in the description.
Next up, we'll explore GoHighLevel and how to handle full-stack affiliate scaling like a pro. You're not going to want to miss it.